So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere, you guys. See you soon. I would like today first to show you start by telling you exactly what you're going to need for the project. You are going to need some scissors. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need a marker. I would suggest a fine marker so that's not so wide, your markings. And you're also going to need a t-shirt. This is a t-shirt that my granddaughter chose as we're going to work on a project for her, and she also has a certain design that she has in mind. So let's get started. We'll begin first of all by marking the t-shirt. I would suggest that you turn your t-shirt inside out to begin with. Yeah, let's just turn it inside out. I like to turn mine inside out when I'm making, when I'm using a marker such as this one, so that you don't see the markings on the outside of the t-shirt. So let's turn our t-shirt inside out and then we'll start our markings, okay? Different on the inside of it. I'm going to go ahead on and start on the inside cut, and we're going to make a incision just so that we can get through both sides. As you can see, I'm working through both the front and the back. So like again, I just want to make a small incision at the very top right there. Stretch it. You just want to do your stretching. And here, just a little. Don't stretch it like ridiculously, but just a little stretching on all your strips. And we're all done, guys. Ready to try it on.